Hey, this is Sean with Creative Alaskan Palettes, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the rest of the nightstand, and I'm actually going to convert it into a fish tank stand. Alright, so here we go. When you're working with palette pieces, you want to make sure and use pieces that aren't split. It makes for a better project. So at the end, I took a break and sanded everything down, lacquered it, made it look pretty, and then there you have it. We now have a stand for the fishies. Okay, so that was fun. Thanks for watching me build this really heavy project. And go ahead and click on subscribe, like, and then comment. And if you have any questions, I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. So one of the things that you want to double check when you're nailing is that you have nails in the gun.